What to do during, before, and after earthquake? Earthquake is destructive. What is earthquake? An earthquake is the sudden rapid shaking or rolling of the earth. Earthquakes happen when rocks break or slip along fault lines in the earth's crust, releasing energy that causes the ground to move. Safety measures before earthquake. Number one, be ready with your disaster kit. Make sure that everything needed is in your disaster kit. Number two, make a plan. Discuss with your family important things to do. Number three, know if your area is within the fault line. At least you know whether it will be too dangerous or not. Number four, it is important to know where to go in time like this. Number, okay, I need to read this one. Know your evacuation area. Sorry, okay. And then number five, identify potential hazard in your home and fix them. It is better to fix in advance all things needed to fix. Next one is safety measures during earthquake. Number one, hide under the table. One of the safer to stay is under the table. It can protect from falling objects. Number two, stay in an evacuation area. It is safer to stay in designated evacuation area. Number three, when in a building, do not use the elevator. Take the stairs instead. It will be much safer. Number four, go away from objects that may break or fall. Breaking or falling will be very dangerous during earthquake. Number five, slow down car in case of earthquake and find a safer place to park. Safety measures after earthquake. Number one, rescue people together and help one another. Number two, listen to news update. It is important to know what is happening after the earthquake. Number three, turn off electricity in case of damages. Because it is very dangerous if was not turned off. Number four, stay away from low-lying areas because there is a possibility of a tsunami after earthquake. Number five, after earthquake, check for injuries and damages. And work together as one for recovery. That's all. Thank you.